Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much to SAVILAND for sending me this dip powder starter kit. So it brings some nails, also to remove the dust, a file, a manicure stick, the dip powder, of course, it's just a clear, and it also comes with the two-step. We have the brush on gel resin along with the activator, and of course you can never go wrong with some extra brushes. And here I will be using the full cover nail tips from AliExpress. These are in the shape square, so I will be applying everything off camera. As you guys can see, I've already prepped my nails, shaped them and filed and removed the shine to my liking. So now I am just going to go in with the brush on gel resin. I'm only going to do 2 coats of this clear dip powder, and while I'm dipping it into the bottle, I'm going to make sure I'm doing it at a 45-degree angle. So here, this is what I'm doing, and then I will get ready to shape, file, and buff the nails. And by the way guys, thank you so much for all the love and support. Like always, I always mention, I'm very grateful. It means the absolute world to me, and thank you so much for allowing me to reach 800 subscribers. Cannot believe I'm almost at 1K. I am so excited, and I'm just so happy and blessed to have each and every one of you guys, and it absolutely means the world to me, and I just can't thank you guys enough. Remember to always dust off the nails after each dip. You know, sometimes I do forget myself, but yeah, just remember to do so. And yeah, the dip powder system is something very easy, something that I recommend for beginners who want to do their nails at home at an affordable price. You just can't beat it. It's one of the easiest methods. Yeah, the shaping does take some time and some practice, but that's just with any nail method that you go for. But yeah, I really recommend it. I really enjoyed this dip powder. It was easy, and you just can't go wrong for the price. Remember that before you go in with shaping and filing, after you are done building the nails to your liking, remember to apply the activator that ensures that the nail is hardened and ready to file and shape. So here, that is what I am doing. I'm just shaping and filing to my liking, and then I will go in with buffing the nails. Now I'm going to go in with some base coat. I am going to cure the nails under the UV lamp for 30 through 60 seconds, depending on your lamp, that is up to you. And then I will go in with my nail polish of choice. I will have everything linked down below just in case you guys are interested in purchasing. So this is what I'm doing now. And by the way guys, like I said and mentioned earlier, thank you so much for all the love and support and just being patient with me, because I know I don't always post. I really wish I could post more often. I will try to begin to post a little bit more throughout the week, but yeah, I really do love creating videos for you guys. It's something that I really enjoy. It's very therapeutic for me, because yeah, every time I create nails, it's like I'm just so engulfed in what I'm doing and just letting my mind go off with the creativity. So yeah, I just love creating nails for you guys, and I'm really grateful for everyone that supports this channel and actually, you know, looks forward to the videos that I upload. So yeah guys, thank you so much, and I love you guys so very much. I do go in with 2 layers of this polish, since the polish is a bit sheer and this is a gel polish, so I do go in and cure it under the UV lamp for 60 through 90 seconds. I'm gonna go in and apply some top coat, and by the way, I do use this as an adhesive for my rhinestones or anything that I like to apply on top of the nails. So here I'm just putting on some random rhinestones, and it was just a very simple, easy look that anybody can recreate. Especially I wanted to create nails that are short because I know a lot of people don't like long nails or prefer short nails, or because of their job or school or whatever the case may be. So I do like doing a variety of different shapes and sizes, I mean different shapes and lengths, because I do know that not everybody is a fan of long nails. I personally love long nails, but not everybody does, and that's okay. So yeah, I just wanted to switch it up, something simple, cute, you know. Can't go wrong with this look. It's very simple, and you can use it for work or if you do sports or whatever the case may be. So now the last step is the cuticle oil. I did get this one through AliExpress, and I'm just applying this all over the cuticles of the nails. And this is it for this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.